In today's video, we're going to break down the best swing trade opportunity of the week and the catalyst that drove this explosive move, so you can learn how to spot these setups as they are happening, not after the fact. This week, I'm covering FSLY, a stock that beat earning expectations. I'll walk you through the change in the story and why the market reacted the way it did and how I spotted this trade before the move. So FSLY is a software company that reported earnings last week on Wednesday, I think, after hours. And so before the news hit, the stock was trading at around $9, and it was actually on a kind of downward trend. But when the news hit, there was a sharp rally after hours, and the stock opened at around $13.5 next day, and it's currently trading around $18.5. So that is a gap of 77%, and the move currently is at around 45%. So this is pretty nice move, especially for an earning surprise. So now we're going to look at the earnings to see why this happened. So here is a snapshot of the earnings that were reported by FSLY. So in terms of revenue, Q4 revenue grew 23% year over year. Annual revenue also grew 15%. Gross margin 64% in Q4, a record high. Obviously, the best numbers would be listed first. So you can see here the revenue is good, the annual revenue good, gross margin, and then maybe less important numbers, but still are positive numbers. But actually, the other thing that I didn't see in this particular snapshot, but you can see it here, is that the surprise on the EPS was 116%. There was also a surprise on the revenue, but it was not really, it was just 7%. So that's not really impressive. But the fact that EPS surprise was 116%, it just means that nobody expected the earnings to be at that level. And so when there is a surprise like this about a stock, that the stock was also, trending a bit lower in a downtrend and just kind of going a little bit sideways before, the stock really was not expected to have these results, and then the news hit the market, and so that's why you have this major rally. There was also a comment about the guidance that the company gave for 2026 that was very positive. I just don't see it on this snapshot here, but I remember seeing it on the day. And actually there's an AI summary here that says Q4 earnings beat and upbeat 2026 guidance, ignite the intraday surge. Of course, that's just an AI summary, but there was a guidance point that was very positive, and of course that supported this rally. It's really that simple, just a major beat on expectations, that triple digit beat. A growth as well, Q4 growth year on year, and also an annual growth of revenue, and I think very good earnings as well. And it's that simple, and that's what fueled this rally, as simple as that. And so I think there is still a little bit of upside. We will see. For now, there's just 2 days of swing here, but there could be a little bit more upside. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.